Welcome back, everyone. You might be in a situation where you cannot sign up for Instagram for some reason. This can happen for a multitude of reasons. There's so many situations of how this can happen, but I'm going to kind of attribute it to probably like 3 or 4. And I'll also tell you a way to fix this if those issues are still not fixed by the time you're done by this video or whatever. And I would probably not recommend doing it because it's the least safest method, but it is what it is and it's a way to get through it. So the first thing, make sure you're connected to a reliable network. If you're on Wi-Fi, make sure you can go on Safari or Android. If you're on Google Chrome, whatever, make sure you can load up a web page. So if you're on Google Chrome, whatever, just load up apple.com, load up google.com. As long as you're able to, find a website and get it running and everything, then it's not a network issue. This is probably the number one way I've seen a lot of people would get messed this up. Maybe you're on 2G network, maybe it's super slow. You want to be connected to a reliable network and make sure it's reasonably fast. So as long as you can load up a web page and everything, then you should be good for the most part. So that's the first thing you want to do. If you open up Instagram and you still have that same issue, what you want to do is you want to go into your app store, whether that's on Google or whatever Android Play Store or on iOS with the App Store, and all you want to do is make sure Instagram does not have an update. So what you can do is you can click that search button. You just want to search up Instagram, click search. I might have spelled it wrong. No, I didn't. And you just want to make sure Instagram just doesn't have an update. So you can go ahead and tap on it. And if it just says open, then you're good. But if it says update, then you want to make sure you update it to the most recent version. You do not want to be on a super outdated version. However, if you're on a pretty recent version, then you should be good too. So you just want to make sure you're up to date and everything. If you are still having issues on signing up, then you probably want to just delete Instagram altogether and just reinstall it. And if that still doesn't fix your issues, then there can only be one thing. Then that might mean that you're using a same email or same phone number to sign up. And maybe there's issues there. You can probably only have one email sign up for it. So what I would recommend you doing at this point, and you don't have to do this if you don't want to, but if you're still having issues, you want to make sure Instagram isn't down or anything. But if you're still having issues, you want to make sure you just want to look up some temporary email services on Google, or maybe create a different email account on Gmail or Yahoo or Bing or whatever, it doesn't matter. Or you can just find a temporary email. This one, TempMail, is a pretty decent one I've seen a couple people use. And what they do is they give you a temporary email for you to use just temporarily, obviously. And that is basically the temporary email I got. So you can copy it, you can paste it into your sign up instead of using your phone number or another email. You can use this email, and it'll temporarily send you things into this email. So this is probably the least safest method, like I said, because this email account will be associated with the Instagram account. But you can always go into settings and change the Instagram account email to the email that you would have used previously. So that's the way to get through it. Those are just a couple ways on how to fix it. One of these methods should have hopefully worked for you. If it did, hit that like button, that would mean so much. But definitely hit that subscribe button. Every single subscriber that we get really does count, so it means so much if you guys could hit that. Also check out the other links down in the description as well. My Twitter, my Instagram, my second channel. All those links are linked down below. I'd really appreciate if you guys could check it out. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.